If you're using a DEX, you definitely want the best price, low gas fees, and not to waste your money, right? So today, Empress explains what is matcha, why should you care, and how is it any different than other swap tools. Hi, I'm Vana, and I make crypto make sense. What is matcha? Matcha is a DEX aggregator. What does that even mean? It means that it doesn't just give you a single swap like Uniswap, it rather searches for the best price for your swap. You can think of it as a sky scanner, but just for your swaps. So how does matcha work? Let me show you quickly. What you're gonna do first is connect your wallet. If you're going to trade with EVM wallet, you can connect only that one. I connected Solana as well because I wanted to show you that you can also bridge from the chains available to Solana or buy any token on Solana right from matcha. So if you click on start trading, you can see here that we have three types of swaps: market, limit, and cross-chain. Market is just buying any token within the same chain. So I'm gonna just choose some Ethereum on base, and I'm going to try and buy some Kaito to show you how it looks like and how does matcha search for the best fee. I'm really not good with calculating how many Ethereum is in dollars, so I'm just gonna put here $2, not 20. My bad. Put $2, which I think is really good feature and very useful for somebody like me who is bad at calculating how many Ethereum is in dollars. And here the best route has been found. You can expand to see the fees, and you can also see how this route is found and how does it go. This one is direct, so there is nothing in between. I'm just gonna sign this transaction. You can see the fees 0.003 cents, which is really great. And transaction is completed. It's really fast. I'm gonna keep myself in the middle so I can show you the other types of transactions. So we just bought some Kaito, but I wanted to show you that for some tokens and some transactions, the gas fee is free. It's not for all, so you have to see for which one it is. Like if I'm doing an opposite swap and I want to swap Ethereum into virtuals, in that case I have to pay for gas fee, but if I do virtuals to Ethereum, is free. How is this good and why can this help? For example, you got virtuals airdrop, you got Kaito airdrop. You don't have to buy Ethereum to sell your airdrop. You can use matcha and just sell it. And I'm not saying only for airdrop, it can be for many things that where you are required to just go to the SEX and maybe buy some token. We have a gnocchi sleeping here and crying. I don't know if you can hear that. Sufficient balance. That's okay. So I'm just gonna do a test swap. This is a bit much. I'm gonna do a test swap for you, and I will swap one virtuals to Ethereum. And I'm gonna place order. I just want to show you how quick it is. It just takes less than 5 seconds and it's done. So let's go back to cross-chain swap. So when you need to bridge tokens, so cross-chain is practically bridging from one chain to another. So I'm going to cross-chain swap Ethereum from base to Arbitrum, and I will do, let's say, $3. And my fee is 0.001 cent. This is crazy. It's crazy good. All right. Estimated time is less than 1 minute. So this one takes more time because there is different steps that have to be taken. It's not just in the same chain, but it's also quite fast. And you don't have to stay on this page. We can go back and just click new trade. The last thing that I wanted to show you here is a limit order. So let's say I want to sell virtuals on base to USDC. I bought virtuals when it was around $2, and let's say I want to sell it when it comes to, I'm gonna sell 50% of this when the price goes to $2.5, and I will receive $29. You can choose percentages and you can choose a price in virtual as well. So my limit price here is 32%. I want to sell it. And expiry, you can select 1 hour, 1 day, 3 days, which is really cool. I'm gonna select 7 days, for example. So what I will receive inclusive of the fee, and you can see the fee is 0.25 and the base fee is absolutely free. So what happens when the order expires? There is no cancellation fee, it just gets cancelled. But if you cancel it manually, there is a gas fee charged. So I'm gonna approve virtuals first, so Matcha can sell it for me. And then I'm gonna go ahead and place my order. Once virtuals reaches $2.5, I will sell 50% of what I have. And my limit order has been placed. You can also see your trading history here. So you can see what you have done in this wallet, and you can connect multiple wallets. You can connect here your Solana wallet, for example, and you can also trade and buy tokens on Solana. So let's say I want to buy Bonk. I will just search Bonk on Solana here, check if it's correct. You can also see the chart here, and then I will select Solana. Can use my fake loud token. I have some Solana, so let's say I will buy with 0.1 Solana some Bonk. Look at this. Boom. I don't have to use another wallet. I don't have to use another platform. So what else you can do on Matcha? Matcha recently launched rewards program, and if you click here, I'm gonna move here. So you can see that both of my wallets are eligible. I don't have any score because I just did some swaps that are below $25. So a few things that you have to keep in mind is that the swap has to be above $25 to qualify. And these are weekly rewards. So you can see how many trades you've done, if you have had any referrals, how many points you got for those trades, and what is the price that you will get. You can see competition rules here. So the first place gets $600, second place gets $400, third place $250, and 4 to 10 $100. And there are 5 weekly users that are just like a lucky draw. They get $50 each. You can see here some rules and some restrictions, like you can't swap stablecoin for stablecoin or Ethereum to VET and stuff like that. Why should you care about this? If you swap on chain, every percentage matters, every cent matters, especially if you're doing this daily. When you use gasless swaps, you save yourself time from having to buy a token, and you also save yourself money. Why you should care about limit orders is that they save you some headspace and they save you time, because you don't have to stare at the chart, especially if you are not trading something that price moves so fast. You can just say, I want to buy more of this token at this time, and then it's already set, it's already there, and you don't have to check the price. If I had to choose one thing, like my favorite thing about matcha, of course, apart from being green and called matcha, it's definitely gasless swaps. I struggled in past a lot with airdrops. Like I got an airdrop that I had to pay $20 gas fee, and then I had to go and buy the Ethereum, then send the Ethereum, then sell my token. It was so many unnecessary steps. And if I knew about matcha back then, I could have just go straight to matcha and sell this airdrop without even needing to buy Ethereum for gas. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I first time heard about matcha when I started working with them, so I might be a little biased, but in plain honesty, I haven't seen a DEX that provides so many features in one, that has gasless fees, that has limit order, and that has over 14 chains available, including Solana. And it is also rewarding you for swapping. This is not a financial advice, needless to say. Anything I say on my YouTube channel or I say is just my personal opinion of any tool, any project, any product that I tested, that I use, and I share with you so you can test it too. If you want to try matcha, I'm gonna leave the link down in the comments, and you can support me by using my link so I can continue to produce more videos like this about tools that I use, products and projects that I'm checking to earn on chain, and in this case save and make my life easier. Next week in Empress Explains, I will talk about which wallets I use, why, what I like about them, what I don't, and what you should watch out when you are using different wallets, whether it's mobile or on desktop. And until then, see you in the next video.